At the age of 11, I was critically ill and was hospitalized. After the hospitalization, my body wouldn't recover and I had frozen joints and pain all around my body. I was bedridden and my family took me to various doctors. Various tests were done on me, including all the tests for chronic ailments, but nothing would come. It was all negative. That is when we were at a loss of understanding as to what to do to heal my body. So fortunately around that time our family physician had learned pranic healing and he offered to do some healings for me. It was just 2 healings and my body recovered 70%. It was almost like magic back then. It was many years back. But what stayed with me after that treatment was that there's something called pranic healing and I have to learn it when I'm of the eligible age. When I grew up, I did learn pranic healing, started healing other people, friends and family, and I realized that the journey has just begun. I'm very grateful that I have taken up pranic healing as my full-time work. As a trainer, I feel very grateful that I'm able to use my life for such a noble cause and help improve many more lives. It's simple and it's the best use of time. I am Shraddha Parekh and I am a registered instructor with the World Pranic Healing Foundation. Thank you.